China stocks are on a tear this week. Everywhere there's another double-digit rally. Today, BiliBili, take us through it, Jenny.
BiliBili, Oliver, this is one of the most ridiculous company names out there, although I do enjoy saying it. It almost seems like
That's
a joke.
the fun part. I like Pinduoduo. That one's my favorite.
I do too, which I was going to mention that as well, hitting 52-week highs today after its earnings. Now, BiliBili having a nice day, up over 22.5%, but nowhere close to its 52-week highs like a name like Pinduoduo. So we're seeing it surge in reaction to its third quarter, posting a narrower than expected net loss, as well as a rise in revenue, both of which beat street expectations. Now, the video sharing platform said it continues to expect further revenue growth for the fourth quarter, even if it would represent one of the company's slowest growth rates since it went public in 2021, which I have to say, it's not like this company exactly has a long track record. It's only been public since 2021, but they did note they're cutting sales and marketing expenses amid China's weak consumer sentiment and slowing economy in an effort to protect their profitability, although they have not been able to turn a profit as of late, which is also something to keep in mind here. But I saw a note from a JP Morgan market strategist earlier this morning saying that this China story is dominant in the markets, and clearly we could see that being the case with strength holding in these names all throughout the trading session. But positive news for the Chinese economy, this analyst said, is positive news for the global economy. And I think that we're seeing that so far this month with some of these Chinese companies having fantastic months. I mean, Alibaba up 26%, JD.com up 45%. Now, when looking at BiliBili, they've had a nice month, up over 73% month to date, but they've also fallen the steepest on a year-to-date basis. Shares are still down 68% so far this year, Oliver, even with a 70% rally in this month. So and something doesn't check out here to me. They have seen a nice month, but they've fallen the hardest.
Okay. Yeah, it's, it does kind of bring up the important point that these Chinese stocks started their bear market like 8 months before the NASDAQ. So I guess maybe at this point they're just kind of pricing in maybe more bad situations. Still a lot of negative numbers on the bottom line, so important context. Thanks, Jenny. Appreciate it. BiliBili, big.